How to watch Tokyo Olympics for free? If your country's national TV doesn't cover the Tokyo Olympics, then you can easily watch the Tokyo Olympics online. Many players ask me, where did you watch Tokyo Olympics? On which site did you watch Olympics? Today I will show you a simple way to watch the Tokyo Olympics for free. There are only 2 steps. Step 1. Install Hola VPN on your browser. Search on Google Hola VPN. Install the add-on Hola VPN on your browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. Add the extension. Install Hola Pro add-on. Step 2. Watch Olympics free on NHK. Search on Google Table Tennis Olympics NHK. NHK is Japan's public broadcaster, so they will broadcast every table tennis match on their website. But the website only allowed people from Japan to watch it live. That is why you need to install the Hola VPN. Change the country to Japan. Select the match and enjoy. Many players ask me how to watch the Olympics for free. Here I have 3 solutions for you to watch Tokyo Olympics. Number 1. Watch on the national TV like CCTV, France TV, CNBC. Watch on YouTube TV, have to pay. Number 3. Watch on TV online, free. Here, you can watch Olympics for free on the internet. Go to France.tv. Register a new account. Make an account easily and for free. Connect and enjoy. Choose your favorite sport. How to check the results of the Olympics? Easy. Google search Olympic schedule and results. And here you are. For example, today, Japan, Mima Ito, Jun Mizutani has won. Austria 4-1. France won Australia 4-0. Chinese Taipei, Lin Junju has won 4-0 India. Su Xin, Liu Shiwen has won Canadian 4-1. And South Korea has won Egypt 4-1. After the game, Lin Junru commented that he was able to perform well. He won the first Olympic Games for the first time and was quite satisfied with his performance. Speaking of goals, he said that he didn't set a goal, so he should play the next game first. The teammate Cheng Yijing said that the first game was a bit nervous, but her partner Lin Junru played very well. At the same time, she felt that the stadium gave her a kind of intimacy because she had a good result here last time, and she hoped to continue to perform very well this time. Su Xin Liu Shuwen has won 4-1. Su Xin didn't play very well the first game. However, the coach Ma Ling has fixed the problem right after. Liu Shuwen has played very well this game. Su Xin said, frankly, that he didn't expect it to be 4-1 before the game. He was thinking about 4-2 after the 3-1 lead. He was thinking about how to make each other better, cooperate. He also said that his teammate Liu Shuwen broke the sound in the first game.